a fine ball. Making sure nothing untoward happened. And the pass, a good one. Oh, great attacking play. In it goes! The goal for 1-0, and that changes the dynamic.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And then the shot is emphatic. He strikes it with such power, the keeper has no time to react.
Who can he play it to? Oh, good-looking run. Well, offside here. Such a pity for them. Chance was on. Looking forward to bringing you more action from the Premier League. It's Brighton and Hove Albion facing Aston Villa. Well, it could be on for him here. Oh, terrific piece of goalkeeping. Joel Feldman. Well read to ease the pressure.